Hi, so let's say you've downloaded Traffic Parrot and you want to start it. So I'm going to start it by double clicking the start script. And we can see the window that's just popped up has disappeared and these dots are appearing here. And after a while, these dots will stop appearing and you're going to just see an error and you don't know what's going on. So how do you investigate these types of issues? Well, what you do is you can go to the logs directory and open this log file. So I'll just double click that. And what I've got here is a log file that describes what Traffic Parrot has been doing. And what we can see is that we've got this error here that says bind exception address already in use. What does that mean? Well, this means that Traffic Parrot tries to use an address that is already in use by some other server or by another application that's installed on your laptop or desktop. Okay, so if you wanted to know more about this particular issue, what you do is go to trafficparrot.com, you go to documentation, you go to FAQs, and you scroll down to why do I get bind exception address already in use. And this section is going to tell you all about it, how to investigate these types of issues and what to do about them. But the easiest workaround to fix your immediate problem is don't use the default ports that Traffic Parrot uses. Just use different ports so that it doesn't clash with the other applications that are running on your laptop. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to close this stuff for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit Traffic Parrot properties file. And I'm going to look for port in here. So any properties that say or define port numbers. And we can see in here that there's one in here. So 8080. So Traffic Parrot it will be running on port 8080. That's going to be the user interface HTTP port. So I'm going to change that to 18080 and bump it by 10,000. Okay, and I'm going to do the same with all the other port numbers. Let's say if that's it. Oh, I got one more in here. Okay, so what I've done is assume that nothing is going to be using these ports 18080, 18085, 18081, etc. And let's hope we're lucky. So I'm saving this file, closing this, and starting Traffic Parrot again. And what we can see this time is that Traffic Parrot has actually started and it's running on localhost 18080. And we can double check that it's actually running. Localhost 18080. Oh, sorry, I've said HTTPS. I should have said HTTP. There we go. So we got Traffic Parrot running here. And that's because we've changed the port numbers and it didn't use 8080 but 8081 for the user interface, web user interface. So if you wanted to more about why is it and how to reconfigure these types of ports, understand what's the other application that's using the port, etc., just read through these instructions and they're going to tell you all about it. But this is a simple workaround that I've just shown you here, how to move on and start using Traffic Parrot. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.